Broke the clutch cable in this thing. Let's change it. So yeah, I was driving this to work, merging on the highway, basically driving like I had 5 stars in GTA and riding around and getting it at the same time. And went from second to third at 65 or so, and I went to push the clutch in and I was like, whoa, that felt funny, and went to put it in third and realized that I couldn't quite get it into third. So I realized that I had broken the clutch, so I floated it into 4th gear and then put it in 5th and called my boss and I was like, hey man, I broke my car, so I'm probably not going to drive to work because I can't drive it on the compound like this. So I decided to get off the highway, turn around, went home, and made it home. So now I'm going to change the clutch cable out. Not sure which one I'm going to use yet. I have an adjustable one and then I have a factory one. So let me see if I can find the adjustable one. If not, I'm putting the factory one in it. Alright, so that little gray piece right there, it's at the end of the clutch cable. That's the extender, I guess. I don't know the actual name for it. But it goes in between the clutch pedal assembly and the clutch cable itself. And that's got to come off. Oh, this one's got a little... Oh, they put an E-clip on there. That's really silly. I've never put that on. Never had that. Let's see. Oh, there it is. But yeah, it comes out now. Well, it can come down further than normal because it's busted. So my pedal had this little clip on there, which I don't recall any of my other cars having. Not my old coupe or any of my other first gens, but maybe I just don't remember. This little piece here, it just has that little, I don't know, retainer. Usually you can just push them out, but I mean, they're not held in very hard. But this piece is super important. If you lose one of these, you're hosed. Alright, so you can just... Yeah, usually you can just pull these out. So there's a little rubber grommet. I'm just pulling on the clutch pedal assembly, and it's not really moving. So you just gotta convince it to come out of there. We're gonna go... No, don't go back in. It's got to come out this way. But it is being wholeheartedly annoying. Nope, it's supposed to come like that. After messing with this thing for a minute, I figured something out. This little accordion piece stretches over this, and it'll take up the space in the firewall that I was uncomfortable about. 2, it doesn't fit worth a fuck. Thankfully I have 2 other clutch cables to use, but that thing isn't gonna fucking fit. It's not gonna fit at
It means that this damn thing doesn't work at all.
I just spent a few minutes getting this out of my parts car, and it's another, 25 or 30-year-old clutch cable that's probably gonna work just fine for me. So I'm going to pop this in here. It's going to fit like a charm, and I'm not going to have to worry about it until, it breaks or I decide to use that other one again. I don't even know where I put it. I was so mad. Oh my God, I was so mad. Anyway, let's pop this in there. This way, behind your brake lines, around your hood prop. Through a little hole in the pedal and in. And then push it as far as it'll go. Really want to get it seated in there really well. Here's this little adjuster. I'll push the sleeve of the clutch as far up as it'll go. It's got a little spring in here, so sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's a little difficult. Take all the cable slack, push it through to the other side. Grab the spacer. Wrong way. That little spacer has a way it can go on and off. So, anyway, route the cable under everything. Keep your fuse box out the way. Over here, hook the clutch fork with the little washer and the cable. Well, I'm doing this by feel because it has this little custom cover on here that was put on by somebody. I mean, I've dropped bolts down here, but I've never made a custom cover for this. Alright, come on. Let's go. Alright, that's there. And just pull. There we go. It's on. Now to adjust the clutch, because this does have an adjuster, you just pull from the firewall side a little bit. Then you're done. Did that in one take, like several minutes. I fought with that other cable for 30 minutes. The clutch just works now. You know, I really thought that it was everybody else doing something wrong and that I would be able to figure it out. And no, it's just junk. It's just a piece of fucking crap. So don't waste your time with it unless you want to fiddle around with it. Get yourself a stock one, get a remanufactured stock one, get one that has a self-adjuster in it, or get one of the custom adjusters and put it on a stock style cable. Don't mess with that one unless you want to fight it a lot. Thanks for watching. An hour a day will make the jack stands go away, but a clutch cable will fucking ruin your day.